Hey guys, so I'm finally back home from college and I'm finally done with exams, teachers, lectures, homework, paper. I have so much free time now. What am I gonna do for the summer? Nothing. I'm probably just gonna be working, making videos, hanging out with my friends, going to like the city and stuff, and eating a whole bunch of food. I love food. Anyway, I was thinking about doing vlogs, like legit vlogs, not the ones that I'm just standing in front of a camera and ranting about random topics, but like actually, recording, vlogging about what I do when I go out and stuff, when I go to like the beach, or when I go to like the city, when I go to a party or whatever. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see that actually. A couple of you guys asked in my last video, how do I approach a shy guy without being awkward? How do I know if a shy guy likes me? The first thing about approaching a shy guy you should know is they're not that confident. Shy guys normally don't get girls coming up to them and saying what's up to them, trying to holler at them. Shy guys don't have that confidence to approach a girl or have the confidence of thinking that they're good enough that a girl will approach them. So I mean, if you're approaching a shy guy and you want to make it less awkward or not awkward at all, girls, just approach him like you would approach shoes or food. You should go after him like you really want him, So let me give you an example of how it will probably go. So you're gonna go up to him. You should ask him a general question like, oh, what time is it? Or, oh, do you know where this place is or that place is? And then he's gonna give you the answer. And then you just say, thank you. By the way, my name is... Your name, insert name, and what's your name? And then he's probably gonna say, oh, you're welcome, my name is Jay. And then he's probably gonna turn away after that, because after the first initial interaction, after you ask him a question, he's probably just gonna turn away, because shy guys don't think that you're trying to hit on them or you're trying to talk to him. He's probably thinking, oh, she just wants to ask a question, and that's it. If you want to keep talking to him, you gotta make sure that keep the conversation going so that he understands that you want to talk to him. How do I know if a shy guy likes me? This is kind of hard because shy guys usually are kind of defensive. You have to get over the wall first before you can get to know the person really. And once you get to know them and you get to a comfortable level with them, then they're gonna show you who they really are. But if you're talking about initial attraction and initial conversation or interaction, then it's obvious, any type of signs when guys don't make eye contact with you, or when they stutter. Those are all signs of the guy thinks you're really cute or attractive and he's intimidated by you. It's like that moment where you're sitting in the restaurant or something, right? Or standing somewhere, and then you look around and then you see a really, really pretty girl or a really cute guy, and then you look at him, you stare at him like a creeper, and then all of a sudden they turn and see you staring at them. You guys make eye contact. And then you just look away really quick, or you just turn your head, pretend you're looking at a clock or the sky or nothing. You're intimidated, you're caught, you don't want to be in that position of, awkwardness. So that's why you don't make eye contact with them, or you try not to look at them in the face or directly in the eye. It's the same thing with shy guys, they don't want to look at you in the face because they're afraid, they might have something in their face, in their teeth, they might be blushing. They're just intimidated by it. Stuttering is he's really thinking about what he wants to say to you. He doesn't want to say anything stupid or dumb. Every word that comes out is probably oh no, I shouldn't have said that. I should have said something else. No. So yeah, those are just a few signs of when a shy guy likes. Oh, there's some girls out there who wants to get a shy guy. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment, and leave comments below or ideas below of what you want to talk about. Don't forget to let me know if you guys want to see vlogs of my life, I guess. And another thing, not all good-looking guys are assholes. There are some actually good-looking guys that I know who are really shy, So don't judge a book by its cover, Get to know the person first before you make an assumption. Alright, thank you guys. Later.